Thousands of these wood welcome signs are being sold on Etsy. Let's make one real quick. I'll head over and I'll show you all the sellers that are making these and what they're making. They come in different sizes, but we're gonna make a 4 foot by 6 inch board. So cut yourself one of these. You can use it out of pine. You can get some edge glued panel. You could probably even get a fence picket if you want. I got this welcome sign stencil at Amazon for $6.99. They come in different sizes. I think this was supposed to be a bigger size, but I got what I got. I'm gonna use it. But I probably would have got a bigger stencil for this size board, which is the 4x6. So I'm gonna line it up. I thought I had painter's tape, masking tape. I don't, because I would put that along the edge and along the seams of the different stencil pieces, just to ensure that no paint got in there. So I'm gonna overlap it a bit, but normally, if I were you, I would use masking tape or painter's tape. All right, and there we go. Welcome sign completed. So obviously a very easy project. There are probably some good stencil tips on how to make that or do that a little bit easier, a little bit more precise and better. I'm sure there's other content on YouTube that can tell you that. I'm not the stencil guy, but very easy to make. And as I'm about to show you, lots of sellers making tons of money. All right, the first seller here, you'll notice they gave themselves this little gold ribbon for 10,000 sold. That's on these 4 different listings, which are essentially all the same item. They have sold over 10,000 if you add it up. This is a strategy that I talked about in one of my previous videos where you maximize your presence on the first search page, because most people do not go to the second search page or any other for that matter other than the first. So if you're able to put a bunch of your same listing on that first search page, you will give yourself an exponential chance of getting a sale for that particular category. So over 10,000 sold. Wow, that's great. Okay, so here's the second one. They only had 1 listing that I saw, and they sold over 12,000 of these. Their building style was a little bit different. If you can notice, they put several boards together, probably had a couple of perpendicular boards across the back to secure it. And they're charging $20 more for this. And here's a couple others that all got over 1,000 sales of these welcome signs. All right, here is my down and dirty, very raw estimation. $8 for the board. I think this is for the 6x8. You can get at Lowe's, so you're gonna have a little extra, but $10 for packing supplies in a box. You could probably actually just use pieces of cardboard, wrap it up in bubble wrap, pieces of cardboard, not an actual box, and just fold it over and tape it up, because this is not heavy. It's not gonna get damaged too much. About $5 for Etsy fees. I'm estimating a $15 shipping. It may not even be that high, but we'll just estimate that. So that comes out to $38. Did I do that right? So we'll just do this at this $50 price. That's $12 profit from each one of these. But as you saw, guys, it took me 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So you do these in bulk, you can make 4, 5 an hour. If you got used to making them, probably do them faster than that. What's that? That could be $44 an hour. I mean, that's I'll take that, right? So crazy little project, very easy. I see so many houses with welcome signs. You could try selling this on Marketplace, and you could try doing something a little bit different to take you out of the category of the same thing that everyone else is doing. There's a lot of different stencils on Amazon. That's the only place I check, but there's a lot of variety there. So you could do something a little bit different than what everyone else is doing. But that's it, guys. Really easy, simple project. Maybe a quick way to make some money, not getting rich, but putting a couple extra dollars in your pocket. So hope you enjoyed the video. Leave some comments, subscribe. I appreciate you. See you next time.